The next inhale, reach both of the hands up. And as you exhale, we're going to bring right hand down to the mat as we reach the left hand up and over. Reaching here into the fingertips, feeling the side body stretch all the way from your hip towards your fingertips. We inhale back through center, both hands reach up, and exhale to the other side. Inhaling, both hands reach up. As we exhale, hands come behind the back, interlacing the fingers and pulling them away from the body as we squeeze the shoulder blades, lifting this time from the front line of the body. Taking a full inhale into your chest, into your belly. And as you exhale, gently releasing, we're going to release the hands forwards, bring them down to the mat,